Hi all, Korben from korben.info with a special tutorial for beginners. We often forget the noobs, the beginners who want to install Linux on a USB key for booting. It has advantages, allows to experiment with Linux environments safely without formatting computer, allows to install tools, test tools, recover deleted files, have maintenance tools, partition disks, resize partitions, etc. There are many utilities in Linux that can be useful even to people using Windows, etc. So if you want to do this habit, I simply take you to my screen. Here we are, and the initial step is to download your Linux ISO, the ISO you require. You can choose Ubuntu or any other Linux distro, it doesn't matter. It can also be a distro for Raspberry like Raspbian or Windows. It can also function. So there you go, you download Ubuntu here, and once you have the downloaded ISO, you will retrieve the utility called Balena Etcher. I've discussed it multiple times on the site, on the blog. It's a tool available on Mac, Linux, and Windows, a graphical tool for deploying ISOs on SD cards, USB keys, hard drives, and other storage devices. So you download this tool, you install it, and then we're going to launch it. We're going to take a look at what is inside. In Balena Etcher, we have two options. We can flash from a file, which means we need to browse for the ISO file on the hard drive, or we can retrieve the ISO from a URL from an internet address. So it saves you from downloading it beforehand. There you can copy and paste the URL here. So there I had the Ubuntu one that was there, but it's Balena Etcher that will download it if you want. So it's not necessarily what we're going to do here. I have already retrieved it locally, so I will take the file locally here, which is madistribubuntu.iso here. Then you select the target, which is the USB key, the device on which you will deploy your Linux operating system. You observe that all of your disks are present in that location. So be very careful. There are disks that cannot be selected, but if you have external disks that you use for your operating system, your backups, or anything else that you don't want to format, be careful because it can impact them. Check only the device on which you want to deploy your image. I put a USB key here. Ensure only this device is green, as checking multiple devices will install on all checked ones. No other green items should be present. So, I have a USB key here with a capacity of 4 GB. I choose this one, I check it, and then I continue. Then you just need to click on the flash option and then it will ask you for your password. Regarding the functioning of your system, he will express a desire to access the USB key and proceed with the task of deploying the ISO image onto the USB key in question. There you go, it's as simple as that. Then all you have to do is insert the USB key into your computer and start it up. You'll have a bootable Linux, i.e., it won't be installed on your computer but executed from the USB key. There you go, hope you liked it. See you soon, ciao.